Hey everybody, Jake here with TrendSpider to go over technical analysis and seasonality on crypto charts, more specifically on Bitcoin. So what we have here is we have a monthly chart set up. What I've done is I've started the anchored volume by price from this May 2019 high, and you can see since this point in time there is a massive amount of volume forming, which is what I'd call volume shelf here, meaning pretty much everyone who has participated in trading Bitcoin or holding Bitcoin since May of 2019 is pretty much holding it break even. And we know when everyone's holding it break even, we have a few things that can happen. We can have people stop selling, which means that they're content with their position, and that decreases supply. And if demand remains constant, that will drive the price higher. If supply remains the same and demand increases from here, that will also drive the price higher. Now, the second part of this is looking at the seasonality side of things. So what I've done here is I've created a seasonality chart since 2014, looking at the average return or just the overall positivity return per month since 2014. So you can see here, July historically has only a 20% chance of being positive, or the last 6 years, only 1/5 of those Julys have been positive. Now, if we look into August and September, those numbers start to dramatically increase. Notice August has a 40% positivity rate and September has an 80% positivity rate. So being able to look at this technical setup and then looking at the positivity rate increasing over the next couple months, at least historically, that is a great way to use technical analysis and seasonality together to get an idea of what you want to do with your trade. Hope this helps, and have a great day.